Okay, part 2. Come on. We go down this little path. And as you can see, this house is for sale. It's oceanfront. I'm actually going to look at that one because you know me and oceanfront. And then we come out to this little main walkway here. Road, driveway, walkway, whatever you want to call it. And that house is for sale. That's one row back from the ocean. And keep going, keep going. And then this is a brand new one they just built. I'll stop so you can see. It's real pretty. It's oceanfront. And then that house, ouch, straight ahead, that one, has a golden retriever that lives there. I think his name is Cody, maybe? And then this house, right here, has a golden retriever too. I know, we're surrounded by golden love. Ooh. Come on, move it, people. We're almost there. Come on. Oh my God, we stopped.